Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the EZ Glass camera lens protector for your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So here I also got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and for the 12 mini, iPhone 12 mini, they're all pretty much similar. They're just different size. So let's take a look inside the box and what we're going to get. So I'm just going to open this one up. It's a pull, so we pull it out. And then let's see what we're going to get inside and how many of them. So with this package here, so it's got the Whitestone dome glass, instruction on how to install it. Just going to leave that to the side. Now you got dust remover sticker in here. You got the alcohol wipe, so we can wipe the camera lens before applying the protector. They also come cloth for wiping. Then here is the lens. So I can see in here it comes with 2-pack, as it says in the box, 2-pack. And let's take a look to see what it looks like. So here it is. So you can kind of like bend this and take it out. It is kind of like sticky, so I suppose you need to clean this one first before we apply this one on. So it sits just on top of that, and that's everything inside the box. Just 2 copies of the lens. You probably don't need 2 of them at the same time, but this one here can be used at a later time when this one is broken or when it's wear out, the glass wear out. You can replace it. Well, you can see here this one is a flat piece of glass, so it's basically covered completely of the glass down here, as well as the lens on here as well. Now on my camera lens I already have a protector. If I take it out, you can see here I already have a protector on this one, but it's only covering the lens. It doesn't actually cover all of this glass around here, or the glass around the lens. They can also get broken easily, so that's why if you have this piece here to cover everything, it will be a lot nicer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.